Here's our Part 8 video with one more credit called the Earned Income Credit. As we saw in previous videos, the word earn means income from work, from a job. So you're looking basically at your wage income or salary income. Now, the purpose of this credit is to motivate taxpayers to go to work, to be able to support their family, possibly get off welfare. The thing is, welfare benefits are tax-free, but if you work, you may have to pay taxes. So why would you do that? Well, you would do that because you can get this earned income credit that can be into the thousands of dollars more cash flow coming in. Let's take a look at our 1040 form. And the earned income credit is going to be based upon the taxpayer's filing status. Our taxpayer here cannot be claimed as a dependent on anybody else's return if they're trying to claim the earned income credit. Also, our taxpayer has to be age 25 or older, but under age 65 by the end of the year. Again, usually between 25 and 65. If you're younger than that, if you're older than that, if you're being claimed as a dependent on somebody else's return, you're not eligible for claiming the earned income credit. Now, the two main amounts we're going to be looking at is this wage income or salary income, or maybe even business income. And the other amount we need to track is this adjusted gross income, which includes the line 1 wage income, but maybe some additional income. Okay, so we'll keep track of those two amounts. Yeah, we're going to have to look them up in a earned income credit table. The other thing we need to know is the number of dependent children we're claiming. Not for the child tax credit that we saw back in the previous video, but just qualifying children. That's children under age 19 or under age 24 that are full-time students, or children that are permanently disabled no matter what their age. So we need to count how many of those children we're claiming as dependents. To be able to calculate out the credit, we need to go to the instructions for the 1040 form. So there's some flowcharts you may need to go through to determine if you're eligible for the credits, but I pretty much gave you the rules to determine that. Now you come to this earned income credit table. Here it says it's not the tax table that we've been using before, but the earned income credit table. And you find the amount of earned income going down these columns, and it's pages long. You also look for the adjusted gross income going down these two columns. For low income taxpayers, the two amounts are basically the same, the earned income and the AGI income. So let's go to the second page or get a higher income over here. How about if we have a married couple who has one dependent qualifying child and their earned income and taxable income fall within this range right here? Their earned income and adjusted gross income falls within this range. And their filing status is married filing joint, and they have one qualifying child. And here would be the amount of their earned income credit. If they had 3 kids, they would hit that maximum. Look how big it is, $6,000 of refundable credit. If they didn't have a child, their credit would be 0. So you can see the big credits come with whenever you have a qualifying child or children. If you can get into this page here, you can see where maybe you don't need to have any children. Yeah, you don't need to have any children to get some credit. If you look back on the 1040 form, this earned income credit is the good type, yeah, versus the non-refundable type that we've been dealing with mostly up here. So down here, the earned income credit, we've calculated it out by using that earned income credit table, and we're writing in the amount here in line 18A. Now, if you are using children, again, dependents here, that help you increase the credits. You need to fill out one more form, one more schedule called Schedule EIC. And there's no dollar calculation here. It's just to disclose who are the children that helping you to increase this earned income credit you're claiming. So you'd write in their name in line 1, Social Security in line 2, and then their year they were born. Again, it has to be under age 19 or under age 24 if they're a full-time student or possibly permanently disabled, no matter what their age. Their relationship to you, we've seen this before when we were studying the qualifying child dependency, and they have to live with you for more than half the year. Again, there's no dollar amounts on this schedule, just disclosing um, which children you're using to claim the credit. Okay, so this is a short video on the earned income credit, and we'll have probably one more video about how to file the return here in chapter 2.